Hi there, so this short video is about Bletchley Test Centre car park. I'm going to drive into the car park and talk about what you should be doing, what gear you should be in and where you should be parking. If you're new to this area and you've got your driving test in Bletchley, then I'll put a link below at the same time for driving test routes and tricky roundabouts that are in Bletchley at the same time. Hope you like the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and good luck on your driving test. So it's a right turn to drive into the test centre from the main road, and you really want at this point be in a low gear, possibly first gear, driving in. It's a narrow bit going in, so I'll talk about this at the end and why it's important at the end of your test. And take your time. If you're in first gear, great. If you're in second, start slowing down for first. Expect traffic round the corner because you can't come in until 5 minutes before your test. If you turn up too soon, the examiner's going to probably ask you to leave the test centre car park. If you're lucky, you're at the front of the queue. If you're unlucky, then you're waiting behind a couple of cars. When you do get to the car park, you need to reverse into a parking space. Once you're parked up in a parking space, you want to go into the white building on the right, which is where the waiting room is. The examiner's going to call your name out when they're ready, and you're going to check your driving license, and they're going to go outside with you and do an eyesight test against the fence on the left to the cars on the right. So at this point you've done the eyesight test and you're sat in the car with the examiner and you've done your tell me question. They're going to ask you to drive off when it's safe to do so. So I've looked around to make sure there's no cars pulling off next to you, or they might even ask you to do a reverse bay park at the test centre car park. Once you come out of the car park, be careful at the first junction, so check to your right to make sure it's safe. Obviously do your right, left, right like normal because it's quite a tricky blind spot with that tree on the right then. And you come into the first main junction, you will be nervous. They might go left to Bletchley or right towards Milton Keynes. Play it safe, slow down, check that it's safe and pull off in first gear. And then once it's safe, you're moving off and then you're on that test properly and your nerves will disappear, you'll calm down and you'll get driving like you normally do. So you're finishing your driving test at this point and coming into the road, driving in. Now be careful driving in it. It's only narrow, so look over the fence, see if any cars are coming out. Any cars are coming out, don't turn into the right turn. Let them get out your way first. If it's clear, then great. And if you're waiting, well, let them get out your way and then drive in. Once you get around the corner, all they're going to say to you is drive into a parking space. They might even direct you into a parking space. If they've not done a manoeuvre at this point, they'll stop you and ask you to do a reverse bay park. But most of the time, you'll get your manoeuvre on your test route. Once you've parked up in the space, secure the car and then turn the engine off, and then they're going to tell you whether you passed or failed. Good luck. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up.